guys, I'm coming to you very, like, just me. This, look, first of all, let me just say sorry. I haven't posted in, yeah, it's been a while. So, but guys, I have a new and exciting video for you. So look, I ordered something that came in this package, and excuse the nails, because I have to get this done. But my whole setup right now is crazy too, so you have to excuse me. But yeah, I'm very excited, and I hope you guys are too. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so in this package is a surprise. So I'm going to open it. I hope you guys will be as excited as I am. So I'm just going to open it. I have my scissors here, so I'm just opening the package right now. And I'm sorry, I know some people don't like these type of videos just because all of the noise, but I'll be quick. Try to be quick with it. So I'm just cutting it open now. Okay. And look what comes out. And my cat she's scratching at the door right now. But look at it. You see how I just threw the package to the sides like, whatever, I don't need that. Look, guys. Yes. Yes. I'm so excited. This is Julia Hair. Julia Hair. Julia Hair. She's opening up the door. Hang on, guys. One second. Sorry about that. So, yes. 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 This is she. This is it. This it. Okay? So, you guys get the... I don't even want to open it because this box is gorgeous. Like, look. It's purple. It's a little bit bent up, but that's okay. Here she comes again. Sorry about that. So, yes. Basically... yeah, so anyway, it came in this package. The colors, like, it's purple. Like, I guess it's just all, like, different shades of purple with their name here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful packaging. So, right now, I'm just going to open it up. Oh, and also, too, down here. So, they have their Facebook Messenger app where you can, you know, message them any questions, concerns, and pretty much. And then... also, too, they have their Instagram and their YouTube channel as well, which I didn't even know they had a YouTube channel. So, that is pretty cool. And when I open it up, I'll just make sure there ain't no important things on here, which I don't know. This is just like a UPS little thingamabob. But, yeah, like a packing sheet or something. So, but in there, other than that, what you get is your bundles, like this. And this is like a little magnetic thing which keeps the box closed like this. So you kind of have to just like push down on it. You guys can see the little magnetic little balls there. But yeah, once you open it up, all your bundles are in there. Nicely packed. Beautiful. I got 4 bundles. I got, oh my gosh, there's a bunch of stuff in here. I didn't even, wow. Okay, so let's start with this. Best money's ever spent. So yeah, I got 4 bundles. I got, I don't even know. Oh, I got 2 24s, a 22, and a 20-inch. So here's one of the 24s. And it says 24 on it there. I don't know if you guys can see that. 24. And so this is the one. So I'm just going to take this out. Oh! And they rubber band them up here so they don't just drop down. That is, how nice. How nice of them. So I'm just, and with these nails, you know, I realize nails make it harder to do everything. What the heck? I'm just going to do this. There we go. Alright. So that's all. So I'm just gonna open it up and see what's in here. I've just heard so many, sorry guys, like the way, maybe I can just set you guys up like this. That might be better so you guys can see me. But the way their stuff comes is amazing. And I've seen so many like YouTube videos about them, and it's like nothing but good things. So here we go. Here's the hair. Guys, oh my gosh, it is so soft. I got the body wave. So this is the 24-inch body wave. Here is the wefts here. And oh, guys, the beards aren't even that bad. Look at, I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably not. But there's like barely any there. Like, at all. Which is really nice. But yeah, so look at this. And I can, it's so soft. I could literally just, it just goes, no hair is even coming out. None. None. Like, I literally, wow. Just, wow is all I can say. That's all I can say. So yeah, that is the 24-inch bundle. I'm gonna put that back in the bag. Where did it go? Here it is. Cool, cool, cool. Alright, so I'm just gonna put this back in. Just gonna put this back in here. It's the other 24. So everything's packaged the same. Literally the same. This is the 22. So if you guys want me to take them out, I can. So let me see. I'll take all of them out, just so you guys can see. So basically, okay, this is the 22-inch. So soft, guys. Like, my fingers are literally just going right through. And this is the wefts. And beards. The beards on this one, they're like thin, but I could feel them a little bit more than the other one. Which, I don't really care about the beards too much. Like, nobody sees them, so. But yes, this is her. So pretty. So soft. There's no strange smell. Like, at all. No strange smell. You guys will see. You guys won't see me in, creating the wig, just because I'm just going to install it how I did with the Pink Label Diamond Virgin hair. Same construction. So, but I will be showing you guys once it's installed, and I will be giving you updates on this hair as well. So, but yes, this is the 22-inch body wave. So this, it comes like right down to here. So probably like a little above my belly button. So since I don't know where the package, oh, here it is. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just gonna put this back in the net. But yeah, so this is the 20-inch, excuse me, which this is the same. It's soft. I'm just, nothing's coming out. Like, oh, I got one strand, but it just fell. But literally, like, I mean, I don't really care about that either. Just as long as when I install the hair, it's not like shedding like a dog. That's what I don't like. And that's why I'm taking this out. This is the diamond version hair. I have it. It's not the way it should look right now, but it sheds like a dog, and it tangles too. So I probably wouldn't buy Pink Label hair ever again. But their mink hair, bomb. But anyway, back to Julia hair. Yeah. This is what it looks like. And this is from, and all bundles are full from the weft to the ends, as you guys can see. Very, very, very full. So I am not mad. Wait. We have to look in this box. You guys don't... I'm not even done with the box yet. Not even done with the box yet. So, they gave me... And I was actually going to buy one of these from Amazon. I'm so glad I didn't. But they gave me this wig cap. Nude wig cap. Which I actually needed a new one. So, I am satisfied. I am happy. Because I didn't have to buy it. It came with my stuff. They gave me nail wraps, which I think these colors are really pretty for the fall. I might use these. I don't know. I might use these. I've never used nail wraps before, so I don't even know how to use them, but I'll figure it out. But yeah, so nail wrap. And you get like a little filer in the back. So that's pretty cool. And what's this? This is like, oh, I wonder if this is like a scarf or something. Like that you wrap around the front of your head. Hold on, I'm going to open it. This is what it looks like in the little bag. They gave me a lot of stuff. Hold on, let me open this. I'm not mad about that though. Oh, yeah. That's exactly what it is. See? That's exactly what it is. It's a headscarf. So you just wrap it around like this. And I could definitely use this, like, for sure. I need stuff like this, honestly. Like, but I always forget to buy it, so yeah, so I am happy about that. I will be using that. And we also got, I guess, like, this goes in your hair, but it's for Halloween with the little cat. How did they know that I like cats? But yeah, so with the little kitty cat, there's 2 strands of hair. So one's orange, one's black, and the kitten's like sparkly and stuff. This is actually really cute. So there's one more, guys. Like, they filled this box up with stuff. Let me just tell you. Look. It's a freaking mask. Like, excuse me. I've been talking way too much today. But yeah, so... Oh, where'd those scissors go? Here they are. So I have this too. I've never actually seen one of these in person. But I'm about to open it. Should I open this? Yeah, let's just open it. Open it. And here's the little eye mask, guys. That's pretty cool, huh? I mean, with my eyelashes. Oh, it fits. Oh, okay. And then you just tie it. Oh, yeah, but my eyes, like, I don't think they're gonna work with me. Yeah. But the way my eyes are, I don't think they're gonna. Look at that. Yeah. I look crazy. But yeah, I mean, this is really cute. This is super cute. So yeah, if you guys want to wear this for Halloween too, that's an awesome gift to have. Go with your little, whatever you, I wonder what you guys are going to be for Halloween. If you guys are partying or what. I mean, I'm not doing anything, so yeah. Okay, so that's everything that came in the box. All gone. So I'm just going to put everything back where it is, or where it belongs. And one more thing. So I got a closure. I didn't get it from Julia Hair because they were sold out of like what I wanted. Let me just tell you guys are so quick. Like, so quick with ordering them. I wanted a 7x7 closure or a 6x6 closure, and you guys were they were gone. I'm like, dang, man, like, because I didn't want a regular 4x4. So, but anyway, I got this 13x5 lace frontal, okay? And what I'm going to do is, because me personally, I don't like frontals. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to cut. Yes, I'm going to cut. Don't start yelling at me. But I'm going to cut some of this off on the side. So I'm going to try to measure it either a 6x6 or 7x7. So I'll let you guys know in the next video. But this is 14-inch body wave. And it's actually cheaper. I only paid $65.99 for it. Which I actually was looking on Amazon for either like a lace frontal that was close to this. There was a lace frontal on there on Amazon, 13x6, and it was like $100 and something. And my order got lost in the mail, so I had to rush to the hair store today after work because, you know, yeah, I'm trying to do my hair. So, but anyway, yeah, so this is 13x5. So I said, I'm not too concerned about the part. I do like the extra inch, you know, instead of like the 4x4. So at least I have 5 inches going back and then 13 inches going across. But like I said, I'm going to cut some of that off just because, yeah. But it's by, and honestly, even this lace closure that I have in now, I got from the same hair store that I just got this frontal from. And it had like the lace closure, it doesn't shed, it doesn't tangle. Like, I mean, you have to kind of wash it just because a lot of like products get built up in it quickly. But other than that, like, it's a lot better than some lace closures that I've gotten because they don't shed. Like, this does not. The freaking hair from Diamond Version Hair Company, their pink label hair, sheds more than the freaking closure. Like, and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, what? So I don't know, maybe I just got a bad batch because apparently people like their pink label hair. But anyway, so yeah, this is the lace closure, $65.99. It has an HD lace. It's by Pristine. Never heard of them before, so they might be new. 100% human hair. You can color dye it. It's perm safe, and you can bleach it. I'm not going to do any of that because I'm not going to. So, but yeah. I mean, I'm excited. I don't really care too much about like the closure. I don't worry too much about like the type because even like just regular Remy, who cares? Unless you're dyeing it, I'm not worried about that stuff. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm so sorry I'm coming to you so raw right now just because this whole week has been crazy. So hopefully I can have a better day rest of the night, and I'm gonna go eat. And make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and look out for my next video that I'll be doing on an update on this hair for the install. All right, I love you guys so much, and you guys have a wonderful day. Happy Halloween. Bye.